This video is how to find your zipForm's agent account. To find it, you simply log on to car.org. So we'll just go to car.org. And when you go there, the very first page, you'll see a button here called Realtor Secure Transactions. Click on that button. The next item will be Transaction zipForm Edition. So when I click Access zipForm, what will happen is now CAR will ask me to log in. Here's my login account. When I click Sign In, it will then go ahead and do a single sign-on. You'll see here it says Validating Membership. Once that's done, the yellow button will appear. Go ahead and click that, and zipForm's transaction for my agent account will appear. And you'll know you're in it when you see all the wonderful transactions you have in your platform. And that is it.